guys, what's up? We have a new challenge mission in PUBG. Use clap emote in pochinki. So let's do it. Pochinki is in Irregular map. So let's go there. Let's mark the pointer. As you can see, pochinki is here. I'll just fast forward and cut some clips. Okay, let's get a gun first. Okay, so this place is fine to do the emote. Okay, let's do the emote. The third number is the clap emote. Okay, the emote is not available because I am too near of the wall, I guess. Let's go to middle. Okay, let's try here. Okay, now it's working. So make sure when you do any emote, there is no obstacle near you. So the third one is clap emote. I did it twice. Okay, so I'll fast forward the video till I die. Okay, so here we go. I died. So as you can see, new mission complete. Use the clap emote in pochinki. So we did it. Let's go in RP and check it. Okay, as you can see, use the clap emote in pochinki is done. I collected the RP. So that's all, guys. Likewise, you can do the clap emote in pochinki. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.